Depends on the specific essay that you're writing, but if you're talking about personal statement, which is sort of like the main essay on the Common App that gets seen by most of the schools that you're applying to, that word count, the limit on that essay is 650 words. Now, schools may have supplemental essays as well, which are separate essays in addition to the personal statement that are specific to their school, and they will specify the word count there for each of those. It's unlikely that they'll be longer than the personal statement, but sometimes they are. Most of the time, they're shorter. So just be very careful that when you're writing your essays, you pay attention before you start writing to what the word count is. And usually it's a good idea to just be at around what the maximum word count is. It's okay if you're below, but if they're asking for a 500 word response, don't write 50 words. Try to give it a little bit more than that.